So this is gonna be kind of a long format video, a few minutes, since I want to show how my thing is working. So I got the laser working, and now I want to see how it does with very fine lettering. So I had done this this spoon with I wanted to see how my diamond bit worked, and so I did it on the spoon, and it did pretty good, you know. So now I'm gonna do it on this side, but with the laser. So I'm going to set it like over here. I think that if I go a little bit higher, so I gotta find something that it's a little bit higher to prop it. Let's see, will this work? Oh yeah, this is perfect. That is perfect. So gotta get the machine working over there. There you go. And I gotta set up the 0 to be the center of the spoon. So let's see what that does. Again, we are testing things, you know, nothing to be excited about. We're not following any what do you call that, script. Okay, right there. I think that's the most. Oh no, it has to be higher because it's gotta clear. All right, I guess we're gonna see if this shit works, right? So okay, so I'm gonna set up the 0 to be right there. Let's go over here to the machine, and let's 0 everything, right? Let's find the file. I put it under my file, my name, so it's probably in there. There it is. And there's the spoon. I just did it right now. So favor spoon. Again, this is a test, you know. We're just trying to see how this thing works. I'm gonna put my glasses on because safety first. Sorry about that. And let's put this over here. Get the mouse. Let's put the dust collector on so we don't have any fumes. Turn on the dust collector. There it is. One day I'm going to do a video on the dust collector. So let's start it. Just gotta wait. Let's see where it's at. Oh wow, a lot of lines. Not even a quarter there, so alright, we'll see how we can speed this up. Well, there's no way to speed it up. I just gotta wait. In the meantime, let me zoom out a little bit. So this is my shop. This is my machine, built it from scratch, no kit. This is my this is my rat's nets. That's the one day I'm gonna work that. Gotta create a diagram. So, and nothing, I just set this up in order to have fun. This is my safe space. All right, let's see where we're at. All right, I'll post another one when he finishes. Bye now.